This isn't mayo. This isn't mayo. No, not mayo. Not mayo. Okay. We're gonna need to make some mayo. What?
There's another fridge.
But there's mayo in that fridge. So what's in mayo? There's an egg, a lot of oil, salt, a little Dijon, and a whole lot of emulsification. Well, I've got avocados. I say we make mayo out of avocado. Let's go. So I've got the Dijon. I've got a little bit of vinegar to give it a little tang, because usually some mayo has some tang to it. This is a pretty ripe avo, and that's a good thing because we want it to be soft. All right. Oh, this is so soft, I don't even need to score it. Take this puppy out. Now we're just gonna mash it up a bit. Put a little Dijon in there. Don't need a lot, just a little bit. And let's go with the olive oil. A little salt. And we'll taste it. See how it's going. It's probably gonna need a little of that vinegar too. Okay, what do we have? Oh boy, that's actually pretty darn good already. But I'm just gonna give it a little hit, some acid, just a tiny bit. Since it's for fish tacos, got a little cilantro that I'm gonna put on the tacos anyway, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that right to this Avo Mayo. So now we've got something that's quite creamy, very mayo-like consistency. So let's go ahead and assemble the tacos. I have tilapia. Take some of our mayo. We're gonna schmear. Is that the right word?
Smear's good.
Alright. Some pickled veg. Give us a little crunch. A touch of salt, because I like it. Pepper too. Yeah, electric grinder, so creamy. And there we be. Now I don't have one of those cute little taco holder thingy-dingies, but doesn't matter, I'm gonna eat it, it's gonna be great. What are you having for lunch, dear? I'm having fish tacos with Avo Mayo. All right, Avo Mayo, tilapia, homemade pickled veg. Oh yeah. This is one of my favorite meals, lunch or otherwise. Just terrific. Great flavors. You take the avocado, it's nice and creamy. Awesome. So your misery in place is going to include things like, of course, a can of tuna, a half an avocado, Dijon mustard, a bit of cumin, toasted walnuts, and you want to toast these yourself. Just put them in a pan, medium heat, and toss them around a bit, but watch them closely because they're just like toast. They're good, and then they're overdone. So pull them out before they're overdone. A shallot or a small onion, red apple, a little salt, and of course lettuce for the sandwich. And for me, I'm going to use sourdough and some slow roasted tomatoes that I made a few days ago. You want an avocado, of course, that's quite ripe because it needs to be soft. This is like replacing the mayonnaise in a normal tuna fish sandwich. Drain it. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. And just mash this stuff up. This guy. Let's do the shallot. So if you got a nice chef knife, just obviously the sharp point's down, not up. Keep one end of it on the board and just rock it. And you can use your fingers on the top as sort of like the lever point. And then just keep dicing. You're gonna want to, if they're whole or half like I've got, you're gonna want them smaller, so chop them up. The apple. This is what I do with apples. Just cut it in half. Just dig out the core with a little twist and give it a diagonal cut in this direction and a diagonal cut in this direction. Now you can chop it to the size you want. Okay, we're gonna add to this some cumin, however much you like. A little Dijon mustard, cut it in half. About a tablespoon, I guess, and just dig out the core, this guy up.
What's the secret ingredient?
The secret ingredient to my tuna salad is pickle juice. Yeah, baby. This stuff is the elixir of life. If you've got a jar of pickles in your house, you can pour this juice right in. If you've emptied a jar of pickles, do not throw the juice away. Keep it in your fridge. You're going to use it for all kinds of things like salads, anytime you need a brightener, anytime you need like a vinegar for something. This stuff is awesome. I like the sweet. You can do dill as well, but this is the thing. So, eyeball, whatever you like. Okay, it's gonna need a little salt and pepper. You'll do that to taste as well. Whatever you like. I like salty. All us writing folks like salty. A little bit of pepper. Yes, it's an electric grinder, so sue me. And then of course, before you go any further, you gotta taste it. Good, but I want some more salt. And I want some more pickle juice. Doesn't look good, but boy, it sure is good. Looks like vomit from The Walking Dead. How to sell a dish, Kev. Okay. Right, now we're talking. At this point, all you gotta do is assemble. You know how to make a sandwich, don't you? I like my sourdough toasted a little bit. Going with my roasted tomatoes.
It looks something like this.
There it is. That is a avocado tuna sandwich with apples, walnuts, and pickle juice. Enjoy it.